Hello everyone, welcome again to my channel. Today I will be sharing with you a few items as in a haul as part of a collaboration with Globleland. They reached out to me and they wanted me to take a look at their shop and to pick out some um, um, items that I loved, and I did so. And from some of those items, I have a few. So that will be part of a giveaway for you, especially as my subby. And of course, because it has been a while since I've been online, I have missed you a lot. So I want to share with you some goodies as well that I chose from the shop. So let me start with the first item here, which is, of course, this is the code. You will get from me in the description box a coupon code as well to grab your chance to get these stickers if you want. And this set is a part of a 5 pieces, so you get 5 sets of the same stickers in one go. So if you purchase this for this price, you will get 5 sets of the same stickers. So, and in each set you get 50 stickers. So I did go ahead and take out one package, and as you can see, I still have 4 here. So a few of those will go as a giveaway. And I will start sharing with you the stickers. They do have a great quality, I must say. They're pretty sturdy. So if you want to back this up on chipboard or on card stock, you can do that as well. It's extra, but it's not really necessary. And I must say it does peel off pretty easy. Just I put in a corner there, and then you get it's already open, so that's good. So let me just pop a few of those at a time, so you can see the different themes and also different styles. Some of them you can use for if you have like an all hot collection, or maybe the Maggie Holmes collection from the garden party. You can use those elements as well as part of your projects. I just love them. Really cute. I can see this one and this one pretty good at all heart, and this one as well actually. So these are the first ones. And as I said, it has a great variety of cuties, like vintage pieces, retro, but also, yeah, if you have different collections, you can use those as well. I must say I kept them in the pink version because I'm working on a lot of pink projects at the moment, and I will be sharing, of course, what I created with these stickers, and I also will be doing a giveaway on these stickers, so stay tuned for that. So these are the next one. And I'm loving the color palette of those, and also loving like they have different images, prints on those for you to use in like different projects like cards or tags clusters, and the colors are just beautiful, and this line here is just perfect. Loving that. So they have, as you can see again, quite a variety. Let me see if I can show you the other butterfly. Yes, this one as well. So you see different styles there. That's what I mean. So there's for every crafter, that's a image or a special thing here inside for you. And as I said, you get 50 pieces. So that's also a great value. Let's see, let's take this with the lips. And this one says thank you, and it's 1 o'clock somewhere. So, and these are the last 3 of this sticker pack. Just perfect. And again, this is the, you can see it well. This is the code to the sticker set. Again, 5 sets of the same stickers, 50 in one set, and you get a great variety. So that's for this first item that I wanted to share with you. Then for this, I'll share with you the code first. You also get a pack of the same silicone stamps, but you get 10 pieces for, like, I believe $12. So you can guess this one is also going to be in my giveaway. So let me quickly open her up. And as they are all the same, I won't take them all out. I'll just share with you this one. I'm hoping you can see, otherwise I will put it on a white background. So let me just take it out of the bag as well and try to open it up. I must say it's pretty sturdy, so peels up good. I haven't tried to stamp it yet, but I will do that in the future and of course share a project with you. Let me see, let me try to do this like this. So you can see all the beautiful details there of all the, this is how it's supposed to look when you stamp it out, of course. And I really must say I do love all the details that are in the leaves, especially this and this one like this. So I'm pretty curious how this will be working out, but it's beautiful. So, and don't forget to watch my videos to grab your chance to win one of these as well. And as I said, you get 10 of those in one package. Then I also grabbed a few different dies. All the links to all of the dies will be in the description box below. And because these don't have a like an example on the back, I already try to make example for you. But let me just share the first one, which is this, the code for that one. So don't forget to use your coupon code for that. This is how it looks like in total. So you have like a globe here and the bottom there, and a piece there, a steam, another, this is like a, not a daisy, but you'll see it when I make it, when I show you the die cuts. And these are some leaves, again, some steams there, or I hope you recognize what I mean. Some leaves, this is sort of sunflower, and roses, grass, and some different elements there. Just let me quickly grab the example. This is what I mean. So you get all of these you get in one cut. Of course, I used this as a base. So this example was inside, so I just cut out the center of that and use it as an example for you here, so you can see how it looks. And it's totally up to you if you want to use, like for this, for example, I use some watercolor cardstock for this, but of course you can totally use cardstock in the color that you want to have. Like for example, the leaves, you can put green and blues for the globe, and yeah, just do you, as I kept in the word of Tim Holtz, you do you. So and this is this one you can also pop up a little bit and create some more dimension. Let me just show you quickly what I mean. You can pop these up, they don't have to stay like this, and you can just quickly create some more dimension on that. And of course in the middle you can put on some stickles or an enamel dot on that. There's just a great variety of things that you can do with these dies. And of course I will be creating something great for you, and yeah, I'll share those with you again. So this is for this die, as I said. And again, this is the code, like this. Then we'll move to the next one, which is this one. I will be using this one in my swap for Brigitte, because we have a craft related swap, a journal that we were making. And all of these little teeny tiny elements are all part of a sort of a crafty theme. Sorry, this is the code for that. Like so. And this is how you can turn it into a colorful palette. I did use, again, watercolor cardstock. And then I colored them in with the markers. These are originally like alcohol markers, but you can use any kind of marker that you want to. And of course you can use cardstock that already has a color. That would be perfect as well. So this is just quickly just to share with you how it looks when you are assembling it and how it is. And it is pretty tiny, as you can see here, my finger. Hoping it will focus a bit. You can see, so sorry, like this. I don't want to make you dizzy, so, but they're pretty tiny, the elements. So you do have to take your time to assemble it, especially this one, these, and this one, because it has like 2 layers like that, and this one also has 2. You see there? So that's for that. That's this one, crafty related one. Then I also wanted to create something that has a little bit more of a dimension, especially to use with the garden party collection, but I will be doing a craft along with you. And this is the die that I used for that. This is the code. And what you can create with that is this super cute teapot with a label or a tag. It does come with all of these different elements, like these butterflies, or a butterfly, 2 different flowers, 2 leaves. You can cut them all at once. You also cut out a border of lace, and all of these teeny tiny holes, you can also take them all out if you want to. And sort of a sticker or a label there has a sewing edge, like a detail. Let me hope it will focus here. Like this. This is the front. And this is just a example. You will see me create with this another collection in using the garden party collection, but just for you to see like the dimension. I'll put the link down below as well, so you can find the right dimensions on the site, on the website. You could also create this as a see-through window, so you can pop in your goodies or your candies in here and see. Yeah, just use this as a window for you to display a little bit more. And if you want to create this border with this lace, just die cut 2 of those elements from the die set and just glue them on to the other side. And oops, to open her up, you just need to open this, and you get you can pop in quite a few candies in here as well. I'm just showing you again the front, like so. And that's that. So these are all the goodies that I wanted to share with you in this video, and I am hoping you will be joining me again, as I will be sharing you how to win the stample set, the clear stamp set, and some of these beautiful stickers, a set of 50 pieces. So I hope you will join me for those videos and on how to win. And I'm so excited to start and create with them. Thank you again, Globleland, to ask me or to have a collaboration with me. Thank you so much for that. And I'll talk to you all soon. Bye bye.